There are 5 things secure people say that most people have never been taught. And once you hear them, you won't be able to unhear them. Think about the last time something felt off between you and someone you care about. Maybe you didn't say anything at all. Maybe you said too much. Or maybe you said exactly the wrong thing and had absolutely no idea how to take it back. Most of us have. Here's what nobody tells you, though. It was never about finding the perfect words. Nobody ever showed us what secure communication actually sounds like. And that changes today. Most people think secure communication sounds like this: calm, confident, perfectly worded, like someone who always knows exactly what to say. But here's the thing nobody talks about: secure people get nervous too. They get it wrong sometimes. The difference isn't that they always say the right thing, it's that they know how to come back. And that is exactly what we're about to learn. The first thing secure people say is also the simplest: I need a moment. Instead of pretending everything's fine, going quiet, or saying something they'll regret, just, I need a moment. I care too much about this to say the wrong thing right now. That's not weakness. That's one of the most secure things anyone can say. The second thing secure people say is one of the hardest to say in the moment. That's not what I meant. Instead of doubling down, defending something they didn't even mean, or going silent and hoping it blows over, they come back. That's not what I meant. Let me try that again. Those words take courage because they put the relationship above the need to be right. That's not backing down, that's showing up. The third thing secure people say is only 3 words: I hear you. Not I understand before they've even finished speaking, not jumping straight to fixing it or waiting for their turn to talk. 3 words that tell someone, you don't have to fight to be seen right now. I hear you doesn't mean agreement, it means presence. And presence is one of the most secure gifts anyone can give. 4. Most people feel it, very few say it. This matters to me. Saying it out loud feels risky, like it gives someone else too much power. But here's what secure people understand: naming what matters to you is strength. It's one of the clearest ways to show up honestly in any relationship. This matters to me doesn't make you too much, it makes you known. 5. This one opens a door most people leave closed. Can we try that again? A lot of people wait for the other person to say something first. Secure people say it anyway. Those 5 words don't erase what happened. They just say, I'm still here, and I want this. Relationships don't usually end in fights. They end when someone stops trying. This is what trying looks like. Pause. Nobody actually taught us how to say what we mean, and that was never your fault. Now you have 5 phrases, not scripts to memorize, just 5 honest ways to show up when it's hard to find the words. The stop, regulate, and rebuild framework isn't about being perfect. It's about being willing to pause, come back, and try again. Secure communication isn't something people are born knowing. It's something they practice, one conversation at a time. And now, you have somewhere to start. Just by being here, you're already doing the work. And that's not small. That's secure. If this resonated, like this video, leave a comment below with what landed most for you. and subscribe so we can keep doing this work together. Real growth and transformation happens one shift at a time. And if someone in your life needs this today, share it with them. That's how we turn conflict into connection together. We built something that walks right alongside you. Take it at your own pace. It's yours whenever you're ready. Free link in the bio. Play gently, learn boldly. Bye for now.